Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you a very neat trick to protect your file from being messed up. Especially in large companies when you have to share your file or report with different stakeholders or managers from different departments, etc. etc. You come across your files again and you say somebody messed up with the formula or somebody point this out to you that your formula is not working correctly because somebody messes with them. I know normally you would just go into the review tab and protect your worksheet like that. But in some company, you're not allowed to do that because your manager or stakeholder, they want to check your formulas. They want to know how they work. They want to know if they are working correctly or not. And during this process, sometimes they mess with it, and it's very hard to track in a large company who's done what. To solve this problem, I've got a neat trick, which is very easy, which will allow to all them people to test your formulas or whatever they want to do with them, and they won't get messed up. So let's begin. To do this, and once you have created your file, click on File, Save. Let me save it on my desktop. Give it a name, Test. Pay attention to this little button over here called Tools. Click on arrow down, click on General Options, and here you can leave password to open to nothing and create a password to modify. So this will be just your file and you will be able the person to modify the file. All the other people, they will be able to get into the file, do whatever they want. They won't be able to save it. All right. Let me type a password for it. You can even click on recommend read only. Type again. Save it. Happy days. So when somebody will open this file, it will ask them if they want to modify, they will need to enter a password. Otherwise, they can just jump into read-only mode without entering any password, which will allow them to modify and test all these formulas the way they want it to do. And they won't be able to save the file. So every time they will flash save, maybe just tell them that this is just read-only. All right. Thank you very much for watching this. And if you're looking for more content like this, please subscribe and like. Thank you very much.